Hey, my name is Lucas, and I'd like to introduce you to Trim and Carpentry Inc., a company specialized in high-quality carpentry and remodeling services dedicated to transforming spaces with precision, craftsmanship, and attention to detail. With over 8 years of experience serving Indianapolis and surrounding areas, we offer interior and exterior carpentry, custom decks and pergolas, kitchen and bathroom remodeling, and hardwood floor installation, always using top-quality materials and professional workmanship. At Trim and Carpentry Inc., we believe every project should reflect our client's vision, which is why we provide free estimates, reliable timelines, and a 100% satisfaction guarantee on every job. If you're ready to enhance the value and beauty of your home, visit trymancarpentry.com or call us today at 317-965-7506 or 463-302-6260 and let us help you build the space you've always imagined.